Hello and welcome back to another video of LaserEngravingBusiness.com. And in this video, I wanted to show you our top 4 items that we've sold this holiday season. So stay tuned. So if any of you right now watching are looking for a new way to increase your income, just all with your spare time on the side, because that's what I do with this business here. I work a full-time job. I also own another business, and my wife handles a lot of the customer interactions and the sales and stuff like that. And I mainly just create the items in my shop. But this really is an awesome way to start making some extra money from home. And whether you need an extra $500 a month or $1,000, the sky's the limit. This is a side hustle that you can make a large amount of money if you put forth the right amount of effort. I use a laser that I bought that's really user-friendly. It's called the GlowForge. There's multiple different types of lasers out there. No matter what laser you get, there's going to be some negative reviews about it. There's positives and negatives about anything you buy. But I do have other videos describing the GlowForge and why I recommend it, so we won't go into detail on that in this video. But this holiday season, we've probably made somewhere right around $10,000, and I'll try and put the exact amount maybe in the title or something like that. But right around $10,000, and that's not in 1 month or anything like that, guys. That's probably over the course of 3 months. And we did do some like Christmas in July, some pre-sales type of thing, and that's included in the 10,000. But altogether with the holiday season, that's $10,000 of extra income just doing this 2, 3, 4 hours extra a day after the kids go to sleep. And it takes a little bit of your time, if time is valuable. But what can you do with $10,000? Maybe that can get you out of debt. Maybe that can it can do a lot of things for somebody. So I just wanted to try and help you guys out, and that's what this channel is about, just helping people grow their side income, or maybe your full-time income. A lot of people create handcrafted items full-time and make a really good living doing it. So I would love to do this full-time, but circumstances and things like that, we stick to part-time, and it provides a nice extra little boost of income for us. So without further ado, our top 4 items that we sold this holiday season. And this isn't the only things we have sold, but this is the things that we sell the most of. So let me just show you here. This is our clear acrylic boards. I've made several videos on these in the past, and this is something that we really kind of sell throughout the year, but it really does pick up a lot during the holidays, and also it picks up a lot during when kids go back to school and things like that. But so this still has the masking tape on it, but you peel the masking tape off and you're able to write on it. Like I said, I do have other videos on that. Number 2, these Christmas stocking tags. This is something that I think I've made a video on last year, and it still does really good in my area. We sell a lot of these. We offer two different versions of it, the engraved version and then the raised version. Once again, it still has the masking tape on it. I think we offer stain and painted versions of it and ornaments. So the third thing we sell a lot of is ornaments. This is probably our best selling ornament. I believe I have another video on this also. And we sell about 3 different, maybe 4 different types of ornaments. This is our best seller here. And then the Santa trays, this is something else that we sell a lot of. We also sell things like cutting boards. We sell coasters, keychains. We sell a lot of engraved pictures. And alright, so thanks for watching, and once again I just wanted to reiterate that you can make a really good living or make some really good side income from just selling handcrafted items, and we choose to do that with a laser. It really makes things a lot easier, like I've said. And if you wanted to get a discount on the laser that we use, I'll link that in the description below. And once again, thanks for watching. I hope this helps some of you. Hope it motivates some of you. And if you can, please like the video. And any questions or comments you may have, leave them down in the comment section below. So thanks for watching.